Welcome to 9227 Rolling Way, Unit 208 in Parker, Colorado. This is a beautiful and spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo in Parker on the 2nd floor in a beautiful location. Look at this. You step right in. Oh, first we've got a coat closet. It does have a shower door in it right now, but it will not be there when you move in. Quartz countertops, extended island, tons of space to cook and entertain. We have stainless steel appliances. Look at that, it's beautiful. Okay, over here we've got like a little dining nook area, fireplace, living room area, beautiful luxury vinyl flooring. We've got a balcony right here. And then in here, this is storage. The other one's just gonna be your furnace or water heater, nothing too exciting. Okay, neutral colors throughout. Let's go to the primary bedroom. The bedrooms are separated in this unit, which is really nice. Very nice, spacious bedroom. There we go. Let's take a look. Look at that. Great. Lots of natural sunlight and big windows in this unit. This walk-in closet is fantastic. It's huge. It's so big. All right. Let's look at the bathroom. Bathroom's beautiful as well. Look at that. His and her sinks, very spacious. You got a walk-in shower over here. You have over 1,250 square feet in this unit. It's very spacious. High ceilings, feels nice and large. It's a secondary bedroom here. Pretty nice space. There's the closet. Over here, another bedroom. And another walk-in closet. It's pretty awesome. Some built-in shelving right there. Over here we've got a full bath. So I did say 2.5 bath earlier. I meant 2 full bath. My apologies. Over here we've got a nice full-size washer and dryer. And that's it. Luxury living at a fantastic price in Parker.